Now, let's review and practice a bit. Remember that possessive pronouns are pronouns that demonstrate ownership. Now provide the possessive form of the following pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. I, mine. You, yours. He, his. She, hers. It, its. We, ours. They, theirs. Also note that there is no apostrophe in possessive pronouns ending in s. Now read the following sentence and fill in the blank with the appropriate possessive pronoun. This is not give it back. This is not yours. Give it back. Also remember that possessive pronouns stand on their own. They are not used with another noun. Read the following sentence and fill in the blank with the appropriate possessive pronoun. I don't think it's their car. I don't think this car is theirs. Note that we can use possessive pronouns after of. Now read the following sentence and fill in the blank using of and the appropriate possessive pronoun. I'll have lunch with Michael. He's my colleague. I'll have lunch with a colleague of mine. Remember that possessive pronouns simplify construction that shows possession of a noun. Now read the following sentence and provide the simplified form of the sentence using a possessive pronoun. My phone is dead. Give me your phone. My phone is dead. Give me yours. Here's a short story using possessive pronouns. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. This dress is not yours. Give it back, sis. What are you talking about? I bought it a week ago. No, it's mine. I've had it for ages. You're always taking my stuff. This dress isn't yours. No, it's mine, and mine alone. And now it's time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and underline the correct word. A. The kids are yours, and mine. B. The final decision is yours to make. C. Anne doesn't trust hers parents. D. What's mine is yours. Mine friend. E. Don't go through mine stuff. It's disrespectful. And now, read the following sentences and simplify them by using possessive pronouns. A. Shall we go to your place or my place? B. Her birthday is on the 12th of May, and his birthday is on the 11th. C. I doubt that our kitty will get along with your cat. D. Colin is my childhood friend. E. These are my jeans, and these are Marian's jeans. And now, let's check your answers. The kids are yours and mine. The final decision is yours to make. Anne doesn't trust her parents. What's mine is yours, my friend. Don't go through my stuff. It's disrespectful. Shall we go to your place or mine? Her birthday is on the 12th of May, and his is on the 11th. I doubt that our kitty would get along with yours. Colin is a childhood friend of mine. These are my jeans, and these are hers. Thank you for watching this tutorial.